Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. I think eventually all lids probably need to be changed out, and finding one that is a perfect fit for my favorite tumbler is great. This one from HeyMoly is a perfect fit and has definitely made me feel really happy because I can keep my tumbler. The set comes with two, so it's really nice because if this one starts to go, I have an extra replacement. I really like that they are exactly the same as the original. Lid even has the magnetic top just like the old one. These lids are also just like the original, that they are dishwasher safe, or you can hand wash them. Every time you wash them, they come out just like new. So it's so great to know that my cup that's still working perfectly and keeps everything cold or hot for as long as I want can easily have a new lid on top so that I know my drinking water is safe and I can still continue to use my cup. And that's my point of view.